Imagine you're commuting on a multi-lane highway. Imagine that same commute without any lane delineations. Okay, let's not get too drastic. Let's keep the middle divider. Now, how would you feel about your commute? Is this a commute you would look forward to on a daily basis? Similarly, for decades, electricians are given conduit and instructed to navigate on something that mirrors a laneless highway, which causes inefficiency. This is a terrible highway if your destination is toward profit. However, we've come up with a solution. It's called Fastbender Conduit, a revolutionary and unrivaled conduit bending tool. We cleverly place linear marks directly onto the conduit. Each marking is a tool allowing you to navigate around and down the entire conduit, placing you on the path towards success. Discard ineffective no-dog tools and ask your local distributor if they stock Fastbender Conduit.